did you adjust during those stretches to ultimately get this game on?
Actually, you hit it right on the head. In the huddle, I said, we defend well. They're not scoring on the half-court set. They're just scoring off our turnovers. We keep giving the ball to the other team. So we said, every time we make a defensive stop, we need to make sure that we get a shot. We're not going to make, whether we make it or miss it doesn't matter as long as we don't turn it over. And that's the story. We gave 25 turnover points to San Miguel. And that's something that we definitely need to address. We had 19 turnovers, and that's why we gave them 25 turnover points. And obviously, I'm happy with the win, but there's so much more for us to improve on, and we have one day to correct our mistakes.
Thank you, Coach, for now opening the floor to the media.
Dun sa yung static finish nyo, it seems si Kelly yung parang very composed dun sa sitwasyon na parang talagang hindi na very sloppy kayo yung dulo.
Well, malaking bagay rin that we don't have one of our stabilizers, si Roger Pugoy, in the end game. But it's really, I don't know if the pressure of the finals, obviously the pressure of San Miguel, the players, really got on our players as well. But thankfully, we were able to execute down the stretch. Wala akong masabi, our offense was down the stretch, our offense was flawless, our defense was great. It was just our turnovers. And those turnovers were not coming from set plays. It was just coming from rushing too much and getting ourselves into bad positions. So we're going to take a long, hard look at it tonight. We'll talk about it in practice tomorrow, and hopefully we can be better for game 2.
Also naman kay Kelly, in the right place when it mattered nung nagabal sa Miguel.
Yeah, well, that's the reason why he's here. We always preach on our team that you can contribute in so many ways, and scoring is only one of the ways that you can contribute. You contribute with first of all, in our team, we're looking for players to contribute with their defense, and then contribute in other ways. Contribute in setting screens and making the right pass. Not necessarily the assist, but just making the right pass. So, in the end, the veteran that Kelly is able to make those decisions. And the key is really not turning the ball over. So when he had the ball in those crucial moments, he was making the right play, whether finish at the rim or make a pass to his teammate. But like I said, we cannot survive on 19 turnovers. We gotta improve that for the next game.
Coach, you had a great start. You also had Simon season game out in starting. So, ano bang nagustuhan mo dun sa starting pa rin? Went right dun sa ano na yun?
First of all, we put a premium on defense. We wanted to put defensive players in. And secondly, Jordan Heading was not even able to practice yesterday. So we thought it was better that we get him off the bench. But also to play the role that Roger plays for us, the scorer of the bench. So we said that as long as we can stay close with that first unit, then we really primed our second unit to match with their second unit. Everyone talks about San Miguel's Death 5, but really their strength is their second unit. They have the highest scoring bench in the league. But tonight, our bench outscored theirs, and I think that was the two things for us was our bench play and our rebounding. They're the number 1 rebounding team in the league, and we out-rebounded them. So hopefully we can sustain that.
Coach, follow up sa bench na Henry Galinato also played well. Meron siyang magawa sa down low. How important is that? Lalo na yung malalaki din yung San Miguel. They have Mo, they have Ronjal, and of course, Mark.
Yeah, well, Henry has been playing well naman the whole elims and even the semis, di ba? So, he's finally playing the way we thought that he could play. Be an extra body for us, also have the ability to finish. He made some key defensive stops. Mo scored a lot on him, but we expected that. Those, like I said, people always talk about Junmar sa San Miguel, but let's not forget they have another Tautua. And then when we were helping aggressively, si Bronjal naman gumawa ng gumawa. So that's the magnitude of the problems we face against a team like that. So we just exhort our bigs to just try their best. Multiple effort. If their men score, then they'll score. But just never stop trying.
So Kelly, it seems in that last 2 weeks you were the most composed player out there, trying to defend as hard as you could and also making the big plays to take those 2 assists for BGR down the stretch.
Yeah, that's why coach has me out there. My role is to try to keep everybody steady. I think I have probably the most experience in these final situations. And I was reminded during Ranadell's jersey retirement, how big it is to have someone who is just calm in the storms. So I want to make sure I come into this, not just this game, this whole series with that energy and trust that our shooters are going to shoot, our guys are going to do what we need to do, and like Coach said, make sure we handle our premium, which is to play defense and play with a lot of energy.
Kelly, have you been to a lot of game on day for yourself? Do you make sure that you guys take advantage of this victory or maybe not to get carried away by this one win?
Well, as far as we're concerned, we're preparing for Friday. So this game is done.
It's over.
And now we focus on getting rest, recovering, coming in tomorrow for practice to fix our mistakes, which we had a lot of. And all eyes are on Friday, not looking past it and not even thinking of this game anymore. We're moving forward.
All right, that wraps it up. Thank you so much,
Thank you all.
gentlemen. Congratulations.